Hello everyone, I am Chandrika Saxena, Assistant Professor EC Department from Mari Lakshman Reddy Institute of Technology and Management. Today is my topic on experiment number 2, sorting of array for 8086. The objective of this program to develop a program to understand the sorting of array number using 8086 microprocessor. After this experiment, student can understand the sorting of the array like ascending, descending, small and large number using 8 and 16-bit data. Scope of this experiment can be able to understand the different type of assembly language instruction to perform, exchange, load and store the array of data with direct and indirect addressing modes. This experiment is come under the first cycle using the Microsoft Assembler. Our aim is to write a assembly language program for sorting of array for 8086. For this experiment, we required personal computer, 8086 microprocessor kit or Microsoft Assembler, regulated power supply and keyboard. First, I am selecting the ascending order. For ascending order, we require a memory location. I am selecting the memory location 2000. In this initial memory location, I am storing my data with in 2000 I am selecting 22. In 2001 I am selecting 11. 2002 I am selecting 44. In 2003 I am selecting 33. My first instruction to select the code, I am assuming code segment. For the start directive, I am writing my first instruction which is move AX, 0000H. This 0000 is used for clearing the content of AX register. After this instruction, the content of AX register will be 0. The next instruction is move ch, 04. Using this instruction, 04 8-bit data move in ch register, and this ch register we are used as a counter. We already know that we are selecting the memory location 2000 and we are arranging our random numbers which is placed in location of 2000 to 2003. So for these four numbers, we are required a counter CH. Next instruction is DEC. DEC CH. DEC is used for the decrement of our counter. Next instruction is move CL, CH. Through this instruction, the content of CH register move in CL register. Next instruction is move SI, 2000. The 2000 EMD data is moved in SI register. Next instruction is move AL, bracket SI. Here, these brackets indicate the memory and the content of SI indicate the memory location. So, presently SI is 2000. So, this 2000 location data is moved in AL register. Next instruction is INC SI. INC is increment in SI. Presently SI have 2000. So now after this instruction SI contain 2001. The next instruction is CMP AL, brackets SI. Through this instruction the content of memory location is compare with the content of AL, which is actually the content of location of 2000, is compared with content of 2001. Next instruction is JC down. JC indicate the jump instruction if carry. Jump instruction if carry to the down. Next instruction is exchange. Exchange AL, comma, brackets SI. Through this instruction, the content of SI indicate the memory location. That memory location contained is exchanged with the AL. Next instruction is DEC. DEC-SI. Through this instruction, the content of SI register is decremented by 1. Next instruction is move brackets SI, comma, AL. The content of AL is moved in the location of the memory which is pointed by the SI. The next instruction is increment in SI. The content of SI is incremented by 1. The next instruction is DEC-CL. Through this instruction, the content of CL is decremented by 1. The next instruction is JNZ up to up label 2. JNZ indicate the jump if not 0. Next instruction is decrement in CH. This is after this instruction, the content of CH register is decremented by 1. Next instruction is JNZ up to label 1. The next JNZ indicate the jump if not 0. 2 up 1. The last instruction is INT3 for stop this program, and end of this code I am using code ANDS and start. So for understand this program I am using the content at the memory location 2000. I am selecting the number 22. In 2001 I am selecting 11, and location of 2002 I am selecting 44, and 2003 I am selecting 33. So I am assuming that firstly SI containing this first instruction, my first instruction is move AX, 0000. Through this instruction, the content of AX register is clear. The next instruction is move CH, 04. This 04 indicate the numbers which is present, number of count which is present in the memory location. Next instruction is DEC, DEC-CH. Through this instruction, the content of CH register is decremented by 1. So now CH register containing 0, 3. Next instruction is move CL, CH. Through this instruction, the content of CH register move in CL register. Next instruction is move SI, 2000. We know that this 2000 is an immediate data which is moved in SI register. Now SI containing the 2000. Next instruction is move AL, bracket SI. Here this brackets indicates the memory and the content of SI indicate the memory location. So the content of memory location 2000, which is presently 22, is moved in AL register. After this instruction, the next instruction is INC SI. Through this instruction, the content of SI, which is presently 2000, is incremented by 1. Now, the SI pointed to the memory location 2001. In next instruction, CMP AL, brackets SI. Through this instruction, now this brackets again indicates the memory and content of the SI, which is 2001 presently, indicates the data 11. So through this instruction, the content of the memory location of 2001, which is 11, is compared with the content of AL, which is 22. If the content of the memory location of 2001 is greater than content of AL, then the carry will be generated. Next instruction is jump if carry to down. If carry is generated, then only the program will jump on this down label. Presently, we know that the content of SI is presently 2001. So it's pointed to the date number 11, and this 11 is compared with the 22. So we already know that AL is greater than, in this condition AL is a greater than the content of pointed by SI. So carry is not generated. So in this condition, the jump instruction is not followed and processor come to the next instruction, which is exchange AL, brackets SI. After this instruction, the content which is presently in the 2001 location is exchanged with AL, and content of AL is transferred in the location of 2001. So after this instruction, the content of 2000 is 11 and the content of 2001 is 22. Next instruction is DEC SI. Through this instruction, the content of SI register, which is presently 2001, is decremented by 1. So now SI containing 2000. And the next instruction is move brackets SI, AL. Through this instruction, the content of AL, which is presently 11, is moved in the location of SI. So now after this instruction, the content of memory location of 2000 is 11. In the next instruction, INC SI. Through this instruction, the content of SI is incremented by 1. Now the SI presently in 2000 location, now it's come to the 2001 location. In next instruction, DEC CL. Through this instruction, the content of CL register is decremented by 1. After this instruction, the CL containing 02. The next instruction is JNZ. JNZ indicates the jump if not 0, UP2. CL is not 0, so it's jump to the label 2. Again, the content of SI, which is presently 2001, is moved in AL register. Now AL containing 1 to 2. This 22 is compared with next number, which is 4. The next instruction is INC SI. Through this instruction, the content of SI is incremented by 1, and Next instruction is CMP AL, comma, brackets SI. Through this instruction, the content of SI, which is presently in 2001 location, it's 22, compare with the location of 2002, which is actually 44. We know that after this comparison, carry flag is set because AL containing the less number. So this instruction jump if carry is followed and directly program in jump on the this down label and decremented by the content of CL. So in this case, directly content of CL is decremented. Now CL containing 0, 2. The next instruction is jump not 0. We know that the content of CL is not 0. Then again, after this instruction, program is jump on lib up to 1, 2, and again this loop is running till the content of CL is 0. After the content of CL is 0, the next instruction will follow, which is decremented by CH. If the content of CH is 0, then only program can stop. Otherwise, this program loop running again and again till the content of CH is 0. We can understand this program using loop also. My first instruction is mount C space C colon 8086, and through this instruction I am called to the drive C to mount the local directory of 8086. My next step is C colon enter. Now I am coming to the Z drive to C drive. After this, I want to edit my program in new window. I am using edit. Press enter. After this, we get this window. Go to the file and click on new. Now I am writing my first instruction, which is assume CS comma code, enter, code segment, enter. Now I am start with start directive as start colon move AX comma 0000 H, enter, move CH comma 04 H, enter, DEC CH. Next, label up colon move CL comma CH, enter, move SI comma 2000 H, enter, label up 1 comma colon move EL comma brackets SI, enter, INC SI, enter, CMP compare AL, comma, brackets SI, enter, JC down, enter, exchange XCHG AL, comma, brackets SI, enter, DEC SI, enter, move, brackets SI, comma, AL, enter, increment in SI, enter, label down, colon, decrement CL, enter, J and Z jump if not 0 to label up, enter, decrement in CH contain, enter, J and Z up to up, and next instruction is INT 3H. To terminate our program, the next instruction is code and start. I am pressing enter and save my program with save as. I am taking my name acs.asm. I am pressing and select OK. After OK, go to the file and exit. Now we want to check the error using Microsoft Assembler MASM space my file name. My file name is acs.asm and semicolon, press enter. After this, I am getting 0 error and 1 service error. To solve this issue, I am going back to my main program using added space my file name is acs.asm semicolon. Now I think I solved this issue. Now I am save this program, yes, save and exit. And now checking again using MASM space my file name ascending.asm, press colon, and now I am getting 0 warning and 0 error. After this, I want to link my program and convert my file into machine language using the linker. I am typing link space my file name is acs.obj and semicolon, and I am pressing enter. After this, I am not using any stack, so I am getting one warning, no stack is segment is present. After this, I want to debug my file using debug. My file name is acs.exe semicolon, press enter, press U, press enter. After this, you are getting the memory address and hexadecimal numbers of instruction move AX, 0000. So from the location of 0000 to the another more than location of 001F, this is our program. After this, we want to check the content at the memory location. We want to fill the memory location. I am pressing E and press the memory location, which is 2000. I am pressing enter. Now I am coming in location of 2000, which is filled with 7F. Now I am pressing my data 22 22. For the next instruction, I am pressing space bar 11, space bar 44, space bar 33. So I am filling this location with the random numbers. We want to arrange this number in ascending order. So after this entry, I am pressing enter and press G and press again enter. After this, you getting the registers which filled with some content. Now we want to check this location is replaced or this numbers is replaced through ascending order or not. So for this purpose, I am again press E and memory location, which is 2000, and press enter. Now I am getting in the 2000 location my content is changed. It's now 11, and 2001 location it's 22. 2002 location it is 33, and 2004 location is 44. So this is observed, our program is successful. Thank you. For descending order, the program is same. It's the difference is only in jump if not carry. For quit this program, I am pressing Q and enter. The next program is descending order. The program is same as the ascending order, only difference in this instruction jump if not carry. So I am started with my first instruction assume directive to selecting the code segment, and with the start directive I start my first instruction move AX, 0000. Through this instruction the content of AX register is clear. The next instruction is CH, 04. Because we are using only 4 numbers, so I initialize the CH register with 04. The next instruction is DECCH. Through this instruction, the content of CH register is decremented by 1. The next instruction is move CL, CH. Through this instruction, the content of CH register is moved in CL register. The next instruction is move SI, 2000. Because I am storing my data in location of 2000 to 2003, so I initialize my SI register to 2000. And next instruction is move AL, brackets SI. This brackets indicates the memory and content of SI indicates the memory location. So in this instruction, the content of memory location pointed by the SI, which is 20, is moved in AL register. The next instruction is incrementing SI. After this instruction, the content of SI is incremented by 1, and we know that after this instruction, the content of SI is 2001. The next instruction is compare AL, brackets SI. In this instruction, the memory location which is pointed by the SI, which is 2001, is compared with the content of AL. So we know that the content which is pointed by the SI is 10 and content of AL which is 20. So this 20 and 10 compared, and we know that the content of AL is greater than content of memory location of 2001. So in this condition, carry flag is not generated. The next instruction is jump if not carry to down. And we know that carry is not generated, so the program is jumped to the down label and next instruction is execute, which is decrement in CL. So presently CL containing the 03. After this instruction, the content of CL is decremented by 1 and now CL containing 02. After this instruction, the next instruction is jump if not 0. So we know that the content of CL is not equals to 0. So this instruction will follow and program again jump to the up to. And again this loop is running till the content of CL register will be 0. So the content of memory location pointed by the SI is moved in AL register. So presently this 10 is moved in AL register. After this instruction, AL containing 10. The next instruction is increment in SI. After this instruction, the content of SI is 2002. The next instruction is compare the content of AL to the memory location of 2002. So in this instruction, the content of AL register is less than the content of memory location of 2002. So in this condition, carry flag is set. So next instruction is jump if not carry is not execute and program come to the next instruction, which is exchange. Exchange the content of AL to content of memory location of 2002. So in this instruction, the content of memory location 2002 is exchanged with the AL. So after this instruction, the memory location of 2002 containing 10 and AL containing 40. After this instruction, the content of SI is decremented by 1. So presently SI containing the 2002, after this instruction SI containing 2001. The next instruction is move brackets SI comma AL. After this instruction, the content of AL, which is presently 40, is moved in the location of which is pointed by SI, that means 2001. Again, the content of SI is incremented by 1. And this loop run again and again till the content of CL register will be 0. After this, the next instruction DEC will follow and the next instruction is jump if not 0. And again, if we know that the content of CH register is still 04. So again, this loop is run and program come to the label up and the content of CH register move in CL register. And this loop is run till the content of CH register will be 0. The last instruction is INT3. To stop this code, for stop this program, I am using code hands and start. You can understand this program by using flowchart also. I am starting with the start directive. The first instruction is move AX, 0000. Through this instruction, I clear the content of AX register. The next instruction is move CH comma 04 because I am using only 4 numbers to arrange. So this I am initialize my counter CH to 04 only. The next instruction is decrement in CH. So after decrement, the content of CH register is 03. The next instruction is move CL comma CH. So the content of CH register is moved in CL register. After this, CL containing 03. Next instruction is move SI comma 2000. After this instruction, because I am using the location 2000, so I am initialize my SI register with 2000 data. After this instruction, SI containing 2000. The next instruction is move AL comma brackets SI. Through this instruction, the memory location of 2000 data is moved in AL register. So presently SI containing 2000. So SI pointed to this memory location. So the content of this location is 20 is moved in AL register. After this instruction, AL containing 20. The next instruction is incrementing SI. After this instruction, content of SI is incremented by 1, which is 2000 is incremented by 1. So now the SI containing 2001. Next instruction is compare AL comma brackets SI. So presently we know that the SI pointed to the memory location of 2001. So this 10 is compared with the content of AL register, which is 20. So we know that the content of AL register is greater than content of memory location of 2001. So in this condition, carry flag is not generated. So we come in this decision box. So in this condition, carry is not generated. So this program come to the next level, it's down and decrement in content of CL. So we know that the content of CL is 03. After this instruction, the content of CL is 02. The next instruction is J and Z to the up label 2. We know that the content of CL register is not 0. So the program again come to the up label 2 and this loop run again and again till the content of CL register will be 0. If in this condition, in this comparison, the content of CL register is less than the content of pointed by SI, so only carry is generated. So only in that condition, this instruction will follow and the content of memory location is exchanged with the content of AL register. And after this instruction, the content of SI is decremented by 1. The next instruction is move brackets SI comma AL. After this instruction, the content of AL register is moved in the location which is pointed by the SI. The next instruction is increment in SI. The next instruction is decrement in CL. So this loop run again and again till the CH register and CL register will be 0. And end of this program, the instruction INT3 is performed to stop this execution. To perform this experiment, click on DOSBox and type mount space C space colon 8086, enter. So you get the message drive C is mounted in local directory. Now type C colon and press enter. After this you can see here now your directory and drive is in C. So in this C drive, to write our program I am typing edit and press enter. After the enter you get this blue screen. Using alt enter, I come to the full screen and click on file and new. Select new and I am starting to type my program. Resume CS colon code, enter, code segment, enter, start, move ax, comma 0000 h, enter, move ch, comma 04, enter, dc ch, enter, label 1, move cl, comma ch, enter, move si, comma. Here I am taking the memory location of 800. Enter, move, move, al, comma, brackets, assign, enter, file C, assign, enter, cmp, al, comma, brackets, assign, enter, jnc, down, enter, exchange, al, comma, brackets aside, enter, decrement in aside, enter, move, brackets aside, comma, al, enter, increment in aside, enter, down, decrement in cl, enter, j and z, up, enter, dc, ch, j and z, up, 1, T, 3, After writing this program, go to the file and save your file. Select save as and type your name, type your file name. I'm typing dec.asm and click on OK. After this, my file is saved with the name dec.asm. Then come to the file and click on exit. After this, we want to check the sum error. So using MASM, Microsoft Assembler, we check our program error. So after MASM, type space and your file name. I am typing my file name dec.asm and semicolon and press enter. After this, I am getting 0 warning and 0 service error. So my program is ready to link. So I am using link space my file name dec dot with the extension of obj. This obj indicate the object file and semicolon and I am pressing enter. So my file is linked. Now I am decode this file using debug. So I am typing debug space my file name dec dot with the extension of exe colon. I am pressing enter and typing and press U and press enter. After this, I am getting my program. So my program is started with 076820000. Here my first instruction is move AX, 0000. This 0000 is 16-bit data. It's containing the 2 bytes and move AX containing the another next byte. So this full instruction taking 3 bytes. So you can see here the next instruction or the next address for next instruction is started with 7076A0003. So it's taking 3 bytes. This 076A indicates the segment and 0000 is indicates the your offset address or memory location. In the next column, it's indicate the hexadecimal digits of your instruction. So now I am entering my data in the memory location of 800. So for this purpose, I am typing E and space. My memory location is 0800 and press enter. So after the pressing of enter, I am come to this 800 memory location which is filled with data FC. So I am entering my data here 10 space. I am come to the next memory location which is 0801 801. So I am typing here 30 space 40 space 20. So we want these numbers 10, 30, 40 and 20 to arrange in descending order. So now I am pressing enter. After press enter, I press G and execute this program by pressing enter. So you can see here This is the registers which is filled some content, but we want to see our data in same memory location. So I am again press the E and our memory location which is 800 and pressing enter. Now you can see here this four numbers is arranged in descending order. So you get 800 location is 40, 801 location is 30, 802 location is 20 and 803 location is 10. So this is proved by this instruction or programs. The result of this program is the sorting of array was performed by using Microsoft Assembler software. The Viva questions are: thank you.